Hey guys, check it out. We got a new radio from Retevis. This one is an MB3B. This one's a very cool little radio. Let me get it out of the box and I'll show it to you. In the box, we have a very cool little radio. It's got a nice screw-on 6-pin microphone. And it also has the really nice new design microphone. I really like these mics. Good sound out of them, and they feel good in your hand. It's got some beef to it. The 12-volt power outlet plug. Well, I'm gonna have to figure out how to hook power up to this because I don't have a 12-volt outlet in my house. And we got the hardware bag and the user's manual. Let me figure out how to get some power to this radio and get it hooked up to an antenna, because I really want to show you the screen on this. Got a very cool screen on this radio. Look at that with it powered up. I hope this camera is doing it justice, because in person, oh, what a fantastic screen on this radio. We have the channel up and down buttons over here. We have the menu, the function menu button. On the screen, up at the top, you see we have the voltage. Tells us what our current voltage is. Below that, we have the signal meter, and if we key up, it changes to SWR and power output. Below that, we have the indicator that tells us what channel we're on and the frequency of that channel. Below that, it shows us US. We're in the US, so it's on US mode. And we're on the AM mode. Below that, it gives us the weather channel and which one we're on, and also the signal strength. Over to the right, we have the AM, FM, and CB and weather button, the scan and Roger beep, and the button for the emergency channels. We have the PA, I'm sorry, no, the PA, does it work with that? No. I'll have to look in the manual to see how to access the PA. The PA, NRC, and the Vox. Because those are all. I wonder if you'll long hold it. Let's try and find out. Nope, that locked it. Weird noise over there. Below that we have the squelch. It also has auto squelch. You see the AQ on the screen. That's that the auto squelch is on. And then we have the off and volume knob. And it says Retevis when you turn it on. Let's get rid of that auto squelch. Let's see what's going on.
The pointer does 39 dBs in my stations. At this hour, over the noise, you are the greatest station for the stations. 73.131, San Juan, Puerto Rico. Standing by.
Puerto Rico coming in. We got a little bit of from the south coming in today, but the radio's been very quiet today. Let's go into this menu, and let me show you some of the things that are in here. Let's go to the first one. When you get into the menu, you can see I've already been in there. Up at the top it says 1.1. We're on the first menu box, and we're on the first item in that menu, which is dimmer. It works out well, because when you use this, instead of searching for something and accidentally going through the same list over and over, we can see there's 4 items in this. We have the dimmer, the key beep, which I have off, the microphone PF key, which that microphone PF key is just a fantastic thing. That center button, I'm going to up on the top of the microphone. That center button, we can change what its function is. Let's go back there, get into there. I currently have it set on mic gain, but you can do a lot of things with it. Roger beep, key beep. Let's bring it back to where I had it. Where did I have it? Did I have it on the mic gain? I must have. I'll leave it on mic gain. Key it up, get it back out of the menu. Press the button, long hold the button, and we'll get back into the menu again. Then we press it once, and we're into the second menu, and we're on item number 1, which is the automatic squelch. And Roger beep, microphone gain. Oh, microphone type, very nice. We can change it. If you got an old school microphone, an old dynamic microphone, you can go in the menu and change it to an old dynamic mic. If you don't, your voice will be very, very soft when you use the radio. Let's put that back. We have the Vox settings. The noise reduction circuit, and the receive noise reduction is currently on number 1, and the transmit is also on number 1, right where I would put them both. 1 works the best on those, I've found. On almost all of the radios that I've had with that, 1 works the best. The automatic noise limiter I have on, the noise blanker I have on, high cut I have off. RF gain, I currently have that off, so the receive is wide open. Echo is off. Let's change that. Let's put the echo on. Now, yep, we have the echo adjustment. It'll probably be easier to go up than it would go down. We're going to put that on 9. And same with this one. Just a tiny little bit. I found 8 to 9 works very well with the radios. It doesn't give you annoying echo. It just gives you a little bit of gives you a big room sound. We have scan type, timeout, timer, SWR warning. Let's change that. 10 to 1 is a little extreme. Let's go 3 to 1. Audio path. That's for they were talking about earlier with the jack. Let's see what it just. Oh, cool! You can change it so if you have a speaker mic, you can have it coming out the microphone. Very nice. That works well with the wireless mics. Well, we can have it back to internal. That's very cool. I have a wireless mic that I may try with this, because now knowing that it has that. And we're back to the beginning of that menu. Let's go down to number 3. I see up at the top again, 3.1. And we're back to 3.1. Let's see what's in VHF parameters. Oh, weather alert. VHF channel. The squelch. And the frequency step. And back to the beginning again. Alright guys, that's it. That's the Retevis MB3B. Very nice little radio. Really nice. Noise level isn't that bad either. It's the middle of the day and it's only showing us 3 dB of noise. Though it's a really weird day on the radio. Let's go down to channel 6 and see if there's anything going on there. That'll tell us if there's any skip at all. Hey, look at that. Even channel 6 is dead quiet. About on 19. We got somebody in there, but they're far off.
My friend, bless our house, family for you. Take care, be safe, enjoy your weekend. 73 is big free, my friend.
Sounds like South America. Alright guys, I'll catch you next time. I'll leave links down in the description for where you can get all the factory info and purchase one of these radios. Alright guys, 73s. So I went in the inside of the radio, and there is a jumper that has 3 pins. It was on pins 2 and 3. I moved it over to 1 and 2, and there was a white looped wire right behind that jumper, so I snipped that wire. And now, let me show you, if we hold the AM/FM button, turn the radio on, we have the different bands that we can use. We gotta leave it on U because that's us here in the US. And turn it on, and it also gave me another thing. If we go into the menu, Was it in this one? No. Hold on, bear with me. RF power. We now have high, low, and medium. Or low, medium, and high, as normal people would say it. So we have adjustable power now. We're going to leave that on high. So just a quick little simple modification. Let me power it off and I'll show you what I did. Took the 4 screws out to take that cover off. Let's prop that cover so it'll stay. Let's see if I can raise you up to see. That jumper right there. Can I do this? Let me turn some extra light on in the room. We have that jumper that was on 2 and 3. You just pick it up and set it back down on pins 1 and 2. And then I just snip the wire. I like to just snip it and not remove it. That way if it did a mod that I don't want to keep, I can reconnect that wire with a little bead of solder. So that's it. Snip the wire and move the jumper, and it gives us more bands and more power. Gotta love these radios. A lot of these new radios that are coming out, they are so easy to modify. All right, guys. I'll catch you next time. 73s.